Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Freetaxusa. First, you will create a new account or simply log in if you are a returning user. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, including your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other income statements. Then, select your correct filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and accurate tax preparation experience, guiding you through the first few steps with ease. Once logged in, you will navigate to the income section. Here, carefully input all your earnings from W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other relevant income statements. Freetaxusa provides clear prompts for each entry. Afterward, explore the deductions and credits section. This is where you can potentially reduce your taxable income by claiming eligible expenses like student loan interest or educational credits. The platform offers helpful explanations for each category, ensuring you do not miss out on valuable savings. After entering all your financial information, it is critical to thoroughly review your entire federal tax return. Freetaxusa provides a comprehensive, step-by-step review process, highlighting any potential errors or missing information. Take your time to double-check every number and ensure all details are accurate. If you need to file a state tax return, you can often do so directly through the Freetaxusa platform, making the entire process seamless and convenient for both federal and state filings. Finally, once you are confident in your return, you will electronically file your federal taxes. E-filing is the fastest and most secure way to submit your return, often resulting in quicker refund processing times. After filing, you can track your refund status directly on the IRS website using your Social Security number and refund amount. Should you encounter any questions or need further assistance, Freetaxusa offers customer support to help guide you through any post-filing inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.